Just wait, come to. Yes, I am fine, children, and hope you are also fine. You are all healthy and always remain healthy, happy, and safe. The work at the police station. Come to page number 50. The work at the police station. When they reached the police station, Mohan went to the person in charge, station house officer or SHO. Underline this one, the full form of SHO is station house officer, and told him what had happened. He also said that he wanted to give the complaint in writing. He was very, very angry. That's why he said that I want to write down the complaint. It's not that I will say it. I will write it down. Written complaint I will just provide. The SHO rudely brushed him aside, saying that he couldn't be bothered to waste his time writing down minor complaints and then investigating them. So this SHO, he was not a very good type of person. Rather, he was a very rude type. That's why his behavior was also rude. And he said that I don't have that much of time to just investigate all these minor things. I will not do. Mohan showed him his injuries, but the SHO didn't believe him. So the SHO was not ready to believe that anything serious has happened with this person who has come for this written complaint. Rohan was puzzled and did not know what to do. He was not sure why his complaint was not being recorded. He went and called his neighbors into the office. They argued strongly that Mohan had been beaten up in front of them and had they not rescued him, he would have been injured very seriously. But at least Mohan was having somebody to just support him. His neighbors, they were there and they said or they narrated exactly what had happened at that time there. Okay. They insisted that the case be registered. Finally, the officer agreed. So that the officer, he required some sort of motivation. Then only he was just to write down the written complaint, otherwise not. Just think, if this is the condition of the people who are there or whom the government has given the charge to take care of the citizens of the country, then what will happen? He asked Mohan to write down his complaint and also told the people that he would send a constable the next day to investigate the incident. Maintenance of land records. You saw that Mohan and Raghu were arguing heatedly whether the common boundary of their fields had been shifted. Isn't there a way by which they could have settled this dispute in a peaceful manner? Are there records that show who owns what land in the village? Let's find out how this is done. Measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of the Patwari. So underline, what is the main work of the Patwari? The Patwari measures the land and keeps the record of it. The Patwari is known by different names in different states. In some villages, underline, some villages, such officers are called Lekpal. In others, Kanungo or Kadamchari or village officer, etc. So you will write down, you will underline, and you will try to remember all these different names of these Patwari in different villages. We will refer to this officer as Patwari. Each Patwari is responsible for a group of villages. So each Patwari has been assigned with the responsibility of a group of villages. The Patwari maintains and updates the records of the village. Underline this one also. So the Patwari maintains and updates the records of the village. The map and the corresponding details. What is happening, sir? Tanaz? just don't bother regarding that one, because time is very less, and child, I am not having anybody to just help me out of this situation. So just ignore that one, and you concentrate that what we are reading. Concentrate on what we are reading, okay? Ignore that one. The map and the corresponding details from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by the Patwari. So the map and the corresponding details, whatever the things are there in details, everything is written about that map. And what happens from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by the Patwari. So let us read once more this para. The map and the corresponding from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by the Patwari. The Patwari usually has ways of measuring agricultural fields. In some places a long chain is used. So see, in some places, what is used to measure the agricultural fields or any land? Long chain. In the above instance, the Patwari would have measured both Mohan's and Raghu's fields and compared them with the measurements on the map. If they did not match, then it would be clear that the boundary of the fields has been changed. So it was the responsibility of the Patwari, but before that the Patwari should have been informed that this has happened. Then the Patwari would have just come and measured the things, and then he would have just checked it from that map, that whether any sort of problem had been there or not. Kindly children, what I said, always just try to concentrate in the class. Okay. Thank you. Anubhav Mondal, thank you. So what I was saying, I have just forgotten. Wait. So in the above instance, what happened? The Patwari. So as I was saying, the Patwari would have been informed. He would have come and he would have measured, and then he would have just remeasured it or just checked it through that map. Then he would have come to know whether anything wrong has been done over there or not. Rick, please mute your microphone. Okay. Then, if they had not matched, then it would be clear that the boundary of the fields has been changed. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of the land revenue from the farmers. Underline. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in this area. So the Patwari is having lots of responsibilities. Another responsibility we have come to know, that he had to organize the system or the way of collection of land revenue from the farmers, and he has to also provide the information to the government that what sorts of crops are grown in that area. This is done from the records that are kept, and this is why it's important for the Patwari to regularly update these. Farmers may change the crops grown on their fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. Okay. And keeping track of this, keeping track of all this is the work of the revenue department of the government. So, what is the work of the revenue department? Keeping track of all these is the work of the revenue departments. Let's read. Farmers may change the crops grown on their fields. Yes, it is the wish of the farmer. If the farmer thinks that this year I will not sow the seeds of paddy, instead I will sow the seeds of wheat, then it is his own choice. He can just act accordingly, and he can even just dig a well somewhere. And if these things are done, then this is the work of the revenue department. That what the revenue department has to do, they have to keep track of all these. In keeping track of all these, the revenue department's work is this, to keep, the revenue department has to keep this track. That means they have to know that whether a farmer, instead of paddy, he is cultivating the wheat, whether he is digging a well. All these things are maintained by the revenue department of the government. Senior people in this department supervise the patwari's work. Okay. All states in India are divided into districts. For managing matters relating to land, these districts are further subdivided. So first of all, we know that India is having different states. There are a number of states. Then the states in India, they are in turn divided into districts. And for managing matters relating to land, the districts are subdivided, are further subdivided. This subdivision of a district or these subdivisions of a district are known by different names. Underline this one. These subdivisions of district are known by different names such as Tehsil, Taluka, etc. At the head is the district collector. Underline. So at the head whom we can find district collector, and under her or him are the revenue officers, also known as the Tehsildars. So whom do you know, or what do you mean, or better to say who is known as the Tehsildar? Then you can say that the revenue officer is known as the Tehsildar. Or if the question comes in plural, what do you understand by the term Tehsildars? Then you can write that under the district collector, there are certain officers. They are known as revenue officers. They are also known by the name Tehsildars. So at the head is the district collector, and under her are the revenue officers, also known as Tehsildars. They have to hear disputes. So what is the work of these revenue officers? They have to hear the disputes. They also supervise the work of the patwaris and ensure that records are properly kept and land revenue is collected. They make sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of their record. Students can obtain their caste certificates, etc. The Tehsildar's office is where land disputes are also heard. So, in the office of the Tehsildar, these disputes related to land could be heard. So, farmers often require a copy of their land's record together with a map, as shown in the previous illustration. They have a right to this information. They may have to pay a small fee for this. However, this information is not easily made available, and farmers sometimes have to face many problems to get it. In some states, records are now being computerized and also kept at the Panchayat office so that they are more easily available and regularly updated. When do you think farmers may require a copy of this record? Study the following situations and identify the cases in which these records would be necessary and why. A farmer wants to buy a plot of land from another. At that time, this record is required. A farmer wants to sell her or his produce to another, so there also this record is required. A farmer wants a loan from the bank to dig a well in her land. A farmer wants to purchase fertilizers for his field. A farmer wants to divide his property among his children. So in all these cases, we can find that this copy is required. When do you think the farmers may require a copy of this record? In all these cases, I do think, according to me, in all these instances, this record is required. A daughter's wish: father inherited our house from his father, and everyone says he will leave it to brother. But what about me and my mother? To expect a share in my father's home is not very womanly, I am told, but I really want a place of my own, not dowry of silk and gold. It's a very nice poem it is. If you read properly, then you will understand what sort of grief is there in a daughter's mind. Okay. So children, give a tick mark up to this. In our next class, it might be a live class, or it may be one offline class. There we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. Now if you are having any problem or query, you will ask me. Otherwise, you will write full name and you will write present. Okay.